Need to share files quickly with nearby Apple devices? AirDrop lets you send and receive photos, documents, and more with just a few taps. Follow this guide to learn how to use AirDrop on your iPhone. Let's get started. Trick 1. Enable AirDrop. Open Control Center by swiping down from the upper right corner. Press and hold the network settings box. Tap AirDrop and select Everyone. Trick 2. Send files with AirDrop. Open the app containing the file you want to send. Select the file you want to share. Tap the Share icon. In the Share options, tap AirDrop. Select the device you want to send the file to from the list of available devices. Wait for the recipient to accept the AirDrop transfer. Trick 3. Receive files with AirDrop. Make sure AirDrop is enabled on your device by following method 1. When someone nearby sends a file to you via AirDrop, you'll see a pop-up notification with a preview of the file. Tap Accept to receive the file, which will save automatically to the appropriate app. Trick 4. Change AirDrop settings. Open Settings on your iPhone. Tap General. Select AirDrop. Choose your preferred AirDrop visibility settings. Contacts only for sharing with contacts. Everyone to allow anyone nearby to send files. Now you're all set to use AirDrop on your iPhone. If this guide helped you out, be sure to hit subscribe for more helpful tips and don't miss our next video.